Hey everybody, I'm Jody with the Louisville Seedbank. Today we're going to be showing you how to harvest pawpaw seeds and maybe even save some to make your own tree or orchard for your next project.
Alright, so the first thing that you need is a pawpaw.
So pawpaw are interesting because they look unripe, they look bright green when they're actually ready to harvest. You'll know that they're ready to harvest because you're going to squish the fruit, and if it's not firm, if it's squishy, then that's a really good indicator. Harvesting the seeds is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is just break open the fruit. See this yellow color on the inside? And inside there's this pulp, but also there is some seeds.
So this is a very good indicator that it's a ripe pawpaw. Inside, it looks like there's some hard parts of the fruit, but that's actually the seed pods. The easiest way to go about this is if you just want to get your hands messy, you can get the seeds out individually with your fingers, like so, but the seeds have this pulp around them.
Now this is a seed, but it's surrounded by fruit, so there are a lot of different ways to do this. One of the easiest ways is to just eat it, but not the seed. Perfect.
The next easiest way is to just squeeze out the pawpaw pulp into a colander, and don't use the skin, but just take a spoon and go through here under some hot water, and that'll also remove the seeds. And just by going through here, you're able to separate the seeds out from the pulp. You can bake with this, or you can put it in your compost bin if you don't want to eat it. So by the end of it, this is what we should be looking for. These are the seeds without the coating for the pawpaws. And once these are out, make sure that they don't dry out completely. Put them, I would say, in a bag of wet sand or sterile potting mix, and just put them in your fridge until next spring. That's all you need to do to keep growing more pawpaw seeds.